Assalamu alaikum and adab, dear viewers. This is AI, and you're watching Asian Times Meta ATM updates. Let's take a look at today's top stories and latest updates.
Bilawal Bhutto Zardari in the UK, Pakistan seeks peace, dialogue, not war, is the solution. London, Report N.I. Bukshi. Chairman of the Pakistan People's Party, Bilawal Bhutto Zardari, addressed the media upon his arrival in the United Kingdom following a successful visit to the United States. He emphasized that Pakistan has always stood for peace and continues to do so today. He stated that whether it is the Kashmir issue or the threat of terrorism, war is not the solution. Dialogue is the only way forward, he asserted. Pakistan, as a responsible state, is committed to working towards lasting peace and stability in the region. Bilawal Bhutto Zardari urged the international community to play a constructive role in resolving regional disputes and facilitating meaningful dialogue, particularly in South Asia, to ensure long-term peace. Commenting on his visit to the United States, he described it as a diplomatic success and reaffirmed that his visit to the UK will further promote Pakistan's agenda of peace, development, and international cooperation.
That's all for now. For more news and updates, keep watching Asian Times Meta ATM. Don't forget to subscribe, like the video, and share it with your friends. Thank you.